Tell me.
Hi guys, so today we're making the fish and puppy load with chef, my partner for today. So we have fish tilapia, we filleted it already, and we have fine julienne carrots, some parsley and onions, and herbs and spices to taste. Also white wine. To prepare the fish and puppy load. Hi Chef Uno, what are you making today? Today what are you making? Chicken picasse, and you prepared 8 cuts chicken or 10? 10 cuts. We prepared 10 cuts chicken. By sachet, we have some bay leaf, parsley stem, thyme and bay leaf for the spice sachet. We also gonna need some eggs and flour. So later,
Spice sachet staple in French cuisine.
Chef! Hi, Chef! Ano po ginagawa nyo ngayon? Ano pong prepare? Balutin de poulet.
Sa amin ko anong pangalan. Hirap po bigkasin yung ginagawa namin.
Bakit po umiiyak kayo? Nakakaiyak po ba yung carrots?
Dadaanan po ako sa buhay.
So this is what we prepared today, chicken balutin. This one we have fish and papillo with hollandaise and veggies and a lot of things more. Now we have to eat. Vamos a comer. Yun lang guys. Hasta mañana!